Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Welcome to today's video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys 3 stocks that I'm going to be buying for today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to list the 3 stocks that I'm going to be buying for today, and then we're going to be jumping over into Wealthsimple Trade, and I'll actually show you guys how many shares I'm going to be buying, and I'll give you guys a quick little update on my dividend investing portfolio. And the 3 stocks I'm going to be buying today are as follows: Fortis, Riocan, and TD. I've talked about these 3 Canadian stocks in this channel a lot, and I still think they're very, very high quality, very, very good dividend stocks, and I think they're really, really good buys right now. So those are the 3 stocks I'm going to be adding into my portfolio for today. And of course, if you guys are enjoying the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you guys want more Canadian-based dividend investing content. And be sure to check out my top 3 Canadian dividend stocks video as well. I'll link to that in the description of this video if you guys want to check that out. Alright, let's hop over to Wealthsimple Trade and let's buy some stocks. Alright, so we're here inside my Wealthsimple Trade account here, my tax-free savings account, and let's do a quick little update on how the stocks have been doing for the past little while. So over the past day, we are down 0.02%, which is pretty much just breaking even. And over the past week, we are down $50, which is negative 1.53%. And over the past month, we are up $77, which is 2.38%. And once again, guys, if you guys want to see more detailed reports about this, I do a dividend investing case study where every single week I post a video and I do like a more in-depth kind of thing about this portfolio that we built from scratch on this channel. But today I'm just going to be doing a quick little update here and showing you guys the stocks I'm going to buy. So the first one we're going to be buying is Fortis stock. I don't actually own Fortis stock in this portfolio, but it is one that I've talked a lot about in the past, and it's a really good stable stock to own in your portfolio. So I'm just going to look it up here really quickly, and then actually the first thing I'm going to do is for today we have $280 in our dividend portfolio that we're going to be spending on. So I'm going to split it between Fortis and TD for this one, and then when we go into my REITs, we'll buy Riocan with all the money that we have in there. So I'm just going to type in Fortis here. We're going to look it up here, and we'll see how much we're going to add into our portfolio. But we have 50. It looks like with shares about $53. So I'll probably add about 3 shares here. We'll buy 3 shares of Fortis. My tax-free savings account from that order. And Fortis is a really good stock to own because it's just very, very stable. If I can bring it up here again. Fortis. We can see here that it's got a pretty good yield of 3.58%, and if we look over the past 3 months, it's actually done pretty good. Actually, let's go for the past year. We can actually see that it's done pretty good at getting most of its value back, and it's just a very good, consistent dividend stock. So I actually don't own it in this portfolio yet, so I think this week would be a great opportunity to buy it. So the next one we're going to be buying is TD, and TD is a bank stock, Canadian bank stock that I've talked about a lot, and I think is one of the best Canadian bank stocks in Canada. And as you guys can see over the past little while, it's kind of gone up and down, but right now it's kind of going down a little bit, which is nice. So we're going to buy a couple shares. And once again, they're pretty expensive at about $60 Canadian. So we'll probably buy about 2 shares. I currently own 3 shares right now, and it makes up about 5.21% of my portfolio. And we can see here that we're currently at about 2.27% increase right now since we started buying TD. And the yield right now is pretty good at 5%. So I'm going to be buying, we're going to try and buy 2 shares. Oh, I don't know if we can buy 2 shares. I'll try and buy, let's see what 2 shares comes up as. Looks like we almost don't have enough, so I'm just going to buy 1 share of TD. Buy 1 share of TD here. And then what I'm going to do for the last little bit that we have is I'm actually going to spread it across my Vanguard VDY fund, which is an ETF of the whole entire Canadian market, so we get a little bit of everything with that one. So we add a couple shares to Fortis, 1 share of TD, and then we're going to jump down to the bottom here. I'm going to go to VDY, and I'm going to buy maybe like 2 shares of VDY just to use up the last little bit of money here that we have inside our portfolio. Let's buy, and we're going to go with 2 shares of that, and that should put us, might have to go with 1 share actually. Let's go back. 1 here. And we're going to go 1 share of VDY just to kind of top up the portfolio. And I don't think we can get anything else with the leftover money that we have. I'll just save it towards the end of the week, and we'll use that when we actually go in and do our dividend investing case study updates. So that's the dividend portfolio for this week, and that's going to be mine. We'll hop over to the REIT portfolio. And inside our REIT portfolio, I should have the same amount of money actually. Yep, $258. and we're going to be buying Ryokan, and I have a lot of Ryokan already. I think it is one of the best Canadian REITs right now. We have about 24 shares here. Makes up quite a bit of this portfolio, so I might have to kind of spread it out going into the future. But it's a very, very good dividend stock. Pays a monthly dividend as well, and the yield right now is pretty crazy at 9.66%. We'll have to see what's going to happen with that. I don't know if it's going to continue to be that high. It probably will, but we'll have to wait and see. You never know what's going to happen. So we're going to buy probably use about half the money we have for Ryokan. So I might buy like 10 shares of Ryokan, which is quite a bit. So we'll go 10 shares here. And then I'll probably just use the rest to buy into our ETF, our Vanguard VRE real estate ETF. We'll top that up with the leftover bit of money that we have here. So we have $100 here. I'm going to use that for VRE. We'll buy about maybe 3 shares of VRE just to top it up and use up the extra money that we have. So put that in there. And once again, guys, if you guys are new to Wealthsimple Trade, I do have a link in the description of the video. If you guys click that link, you'll get $10 free for your account, and I'll also get $10 from my account if you guys use my referral link. And before we end this video, I just want to say really quickly that I just want to say a big thanks to Benjamin, Stefan for using my links, and I also want to say a big thanks to Paul, Ronan, and Kenneth for using my links as well. And if anybody else wants to give me a little bit of hand, you guys can use that link, and once again, you guys will get $10 to trade for free, and I'll get $10 as well. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did enjoy, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you guys want to subscribe to the channel to see more stocks and buying and trading, be sure to do so. So thanks for joining me today guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.